Welcome to Hospitality Academy, your trusted source for navigating the ins and outs of the hospitality industry. Today, we're delving into an essential topic for international students. What is Form DS-160 for F1 visa applications? Understanding this crucial document is key to successfully obtaining an F1 visa to study in the United States. Form DS-160, also known as the Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application, is a crucial document required for most non-immigrant visa applications to the United States. It is used by the U.S. Department of State to gather information about applicants' backgrounds, travel history, and intended purpose of travel. Form DS-160 consists of several sections, each requiring specific information about the applicant. These sections typically include personal information, passport details, travel history, educational background, and details about your intended stay in the United States. Form DS-160 plays a critical role in the F1 visa application process, serving as the primary document used by the U.S. Department of State to evaluate your eligibility for a student visa. By understanding the purpose of Form DS-160, you can navigate the visa application process with confidence and increase your chances of obtaining an F1 visa to study in the United States. Still unsure about the DS-160 form? Head on over to our blog for more valuable insights.